Whether or not you have the opportunity to choose your team's composition, you must intentionally launch the team for success. Research suggests that a team launch meeting has lasting effects on how the team functions. I recommend holding a launch meeting with dual goals. One, ensuring all members know each other, not just by name and sight, but by job, specialization, and capabilities, so that they can build trusting professional relationships. And two, creating the shared model of how the team will function, including team development activities that set goals, interaction rules, and expectations of how the team will work. Teams with a shared model tend to be more productive than others. The first task toward building this model is the teamwork planning form. The first page is a list of ground rules. I recommend you or you together with your team review these and add, delete, or change them as you see fit. It is a long list, but don't worry, you will not use them all. Explain the independent, pooled, reciprocal continuum and discuss where the team's tasks fit on that continuum. This will give team members a better understanding of the level of collaboration they will need when, which could drive decisions on which ground rules are most critical. Then have each team member independently, without each other's input, select the 3 ground rules they believe are most critical to the team's success. Once all members have their 3, reconvene the group for a synchronous discussion. Each member should share which ground rule they selected and why. When every member has shared their 3 ground rules, the group as a whole should select 5 that they believe the team must live by to achieve its mission. On the second page of the teamwork planning form, record the 5 selected ground rules in the upper left-hand column and choose a team member who agrees to champion each in the right-hand column. I do not mean the team lead. I mean a member of the team. Yes, most of the time the team lead manages the team's process. However, team leads usually also have tasks to contribute and can easily get caught up in the content of conversations. It is best if each member has a role to play in managing the team's process so that they can step in when needed. Being the champion makes it easier for peers to coach each other. For example, let's say you made a ground rule that team meetings will start on time, but one person has been late twice. The champion for the ground rule has the responsibility of saying to the late member, "Hey, remember we have a ground rule of arriving on time. Is this meeting time not working for you?" Or they could say, "Please come on time to our next meeting. We need your input." Next, complete the rest of the questions with the team, recording the answers for future reference. If the team is being convened for a specific project, complete a team charter. Explanations for how to do so and some examples are on the handout. The team charter provides an opportunity to define each team member's tasks and responsibilities and to identify the relationships between members' tasks. Team charters have more influence over team outcomes than we tend to think. Research shows that members view the charter as a psychological contract, which improves commitment and team citizenship. The more clearly the team defines its ground rules and operating process, and the greater the agreement on those, the more autonomy the team lead will eventually be able to offer the members. This will save not only you, the manager, time in the future, but has been shown to help teams maintain internal motivation. Finally, read the instructions in the workbook for the calendar activity. In the project management learning, you'll receive far more in-depth information on scheduling group tasks, but given that nearly all teams must coordinate synchronously sometimes, it is worth a look. Be intentional when launching your team. What you do can have a lasting effect on team productivity and interaction.